This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect two cells in series. Prioritize safety by ensuring your workspace is clean and well lit. Make certain both cells are the exact same type, with identical voltage and capacity ratings, and are at a similar state of charge. Always wear safety glasses and use insulated tools to prevent accidental short circuits, which can be dangerous. Double-check your cell specifications carefully before beginning. Before making any connections, you must accurately identify each cell's positive and negative terminals. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign, or it might be slightly raised, while the negative terminal often has a minus sign or a flat surface. Some cells might use red for positive and black for negative as a color code. If you are ever unsure, use a multimeter to confirm the polarity. This step is crucial for correct wiring. To connect two cells in series, link the negative terminal of the first cell directly to the positive terminal of the second cell. This connection acts as a bridge, ensuring the current flows through both cells sequentially. Use a wire gauge that is appropriate for your expected current, and make sure all connections are robust and well insulated. A proper connection prevents resistance and potential overheating. This setup will effectively sum the voltage of both cells. After making your series connection, it is essential to verify the output. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage across the remaining free positive terminal of the first cell and the free negative terminal of the second cell. The reading should be approximately the sum of each cell's individual voltage. For instance, if you connect two cells, each rated at 3.7 volts, your total output should be around 7.4 volts. Ensure all connections are fully insulated for safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.